So we're on a 30 mile an hour road here, and we're behind the cyclist. Vehicle in front's already gone for an overtake on the cyclist. But at the point in time here, we can't go for an overtake because we've got oncoming vehicles which would be forcing themselves over onto our side of the road. Also at this stage now, we've got the bend coming up. Also, on the bend, there's parked vehicles both sides. That's restricting not just both vision, it's restricting width. Now we've got a clear road coming towards us, but we have got the bollard coming up in the centre. We're going to be able to get around the cyclist and back over before the bollard. So we'll hold back until we're after the bollard. Now we can go for the overtake now, giving 1.5 metres clearance and be back over to our correct side of the road before we get anywhere near the junction on the right.